Sakshi Gorvanshi before you. Today I'm going to deliver a speech and my topic name is Love is more powerful than hate. I would like to start my speech with a beautiful line. खुदा सलामत रखे उन्हें जो हमसे नफरत करते हैं. खुदा सलामत रखे उन्हें जो हमसे नफरत करते हैं. प्यार न सही नफरत ही सही, कुछ तो है जो सिर्फ हमसे करते हैं. Love is more powerful because it gives the birth new positive challenges. Love changes a person, brightens friendship and increase love in your family. I believe that when you find love, you everything so we must do love from people, not hate. If you love people, you would be happy. But if you hate people, you will be alone. That's why we should never hate from anyone. I conclude my speech with the wonderful lines. कत्ल तो लाजिम है इस बेवफा शहर में. कत्ल तो लाजिम है इस बेवफा शहर में, जिसे देखो दिल में नफरत लिए फिरता है. Now I conclude my speech, thanking you all, listening to me patiently. Thank you so much and have a nice day.